Hey, what's up, wing holders? So what's going on, my brother? Wing is completely starting goes down this time. Therefore, I made this video specially urgent for wing holder because a lot of wing holder tell me, message me on Instagram to what we do, and this critical situation is very bad. What we do, sell, hold, or buy. So the decision is very important for this because some wing holder as in lost for if I cannot make this video, if I cannot find this decision. So let's get started the live price prediction of a wing coin. So what we do and this critical situation decision is very hard. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the three charts to what we do, what's going on in the three charts, and then we decide to what we do. Okay guys, so please, before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe because this channel provide you a latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So first of all, if you can see here the last 1 hour, friends, if you are a new holder, then keep watch and remember this. Okay, this is last 1 hour chart, and you can see here they are starting in positive. Some holder tell me to why they are starting gone. If you can see here, this time in the last 1 hour they take a small dump, but people are alert to they message me to what's going on, what we do. So guys, remember this price prediction. This is last 1 hour chart, and then I'm gonna show you the last 24-hour result. Okay, remember this price is very small. This is very come down. Okay, so let's check out the last 1 day result to what's going on what's in the last 24-hour. Okay, so the last 24-hour chart is also very important and special. Also, you remember this last 1 hour price to this time. You can see here the price has come down. You can see here the price is high of the last 1 hour. So if you remember, this is gone completely and negative. The last 1 hour the last 1 hour changer, as you remember, is here is a positive, but this time they gone a negative. So if you can see here, the chart result completely goes down, my brother, completely goes down. So therefore, a lot of holders tell me today are starting completely dumping and we are going to sell it. So I think this is completely wrong decision to you sell it. And this time, if you sell it in this time, then you are completely and lost. You lost. Yes, I already said there about the crypto market loss, but at this time, if you are new, then I tell you again, to the crypto market 10 billion lost, 10 billion USD dollar lost, guys. Yes, and the main coin Bitcoin is a very highly lost. So this time, if you can see here, wing is absolutely gone very fastly. So let's check out the last 7 day result to what's going on in 7 days result chart. Okay, so the last 20, oh my goodness, this is record, guys, this is record. And the last 7 days, this is just last 24-hour result has gone bad. Therefore you decide to this is buying time. This is absolutely a wrong mistake. If you are buy this time, please sell this time. This is very bad mistake. Okay, so don't sell it. Okay, so this time, if you remember, the change is very high and the price is very high also, and the last 1 hour the price is come down. So remember, friends, I hope in upcoming days at the mid of month, I hope the price is gone very fastly they're starting jumping. And this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency has gone down in those days. So this is not mean to you sell it. Okay, this is not mean to you sell it. Please, sometimes this is cryptocurrency market, they gone sometime very highly and they gone sometime very go down. Okay, so this is dump time, but what we can say that I hope in upcoming time they gone like a rocket, absolutely jumping starting. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and the decision is simple to this is not a selling time. Please hold it and wait for the end of month, and if you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time to buy it. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel, press the bell icon for video notification, also like video.